I'm going to show you how this home right here could make you an extra $9,324 annually in passive income without leaving the comfort of your own home. Not only am I going to share the address with you to this property, but I'm also going to show you what the mortgage payment would be if you were to put down 20%. Now, this home just hit the market in Akron, Ohio, home of King LeBron James, and it is listed for sale for $99,500, and it just hit the market approximately 3 days ago, so it's safe to assume that the seller is firm on his or her price. Now, this home is a beauty at 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, approximately 1,900 square feet. So I have no doubt in my mind that this home will sell fast. So if you bought this home at asking price with 20% down, your estimated monthly mortgage payment would be $753 per month, including taxes and insurance. And here's how the numbers break down on this property. So your down payment would be $19,900 if you were to put down 20%. And since mortgage rates are currently sitting at around 7%, if you were to lock in this mortgage at a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, meaning your principal and interest payment will not fluctuate at all for the next 30 years, your principal and interest payment would be $533, your estimated property taxes would be $134, and your homeowner's insurance would be an estimated $90 per month, making your total mortgage payment $753 each month. Now, to determine how much you would profit each month, we need to know how much this home would rent for at fair market rent. And in order to determine fair market rent, we could use software and websites like Zillow.com as well as Redfin.com to determine what the fair market rent is for this subject property by finding comparable listings in the given area. Okay, so let's first look on Redfin. So on Redfin, this home is located in the West Akron area, and it looks like there's no comparable homes for rent in this given area. So fair market rent on Redfin is non-existent. There are a couple units over here northeast of the property, but to be fair, this home is kind of beat up and it's not really going to be a really good comparable listing for our subject property. So let's check on Zillow.com. Now on Zillow, there seems to be a couple of listings for rent that could give us a good amount of data. All right, this one just hit the market at $1,600 per month, approximately $1,570 per month, and this is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,400 square feet. There's another listing right here that's listed for $1,690 per month. This is also going to be a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, and approximately 1,500 square feet, almost 1,600 square feet. However, this listing has been on the market for 62 days, so that just tells me that this listing is either rented out already and the agent forgot to take it off of the market, or this home is just not a good home and no one wants to rent this home. Now, there's another property right here southeast of our subject property listed for $1,750 per month. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,200 square feet, been on the market for 2 days, and this is going to be a really good listing or comparable listing for our subject property. So these are 3 good listings right here that could support the data of us renting out this unit at anywhere from $1,600 to $1,700 per month. Now, another good resource that you could use aside from Zillow and Redfin is going to be affordablehousing.com if you plan on renting this unit out to a Section 8 tenant. Now, I personally love the Section 8 program because it guarantees you rent. So just in case if your tenant decides to not pay you or their portion, the government will still pay their portion, which is anywhere from 70 to 100% of fair market rent. Another great thing about Section 8 is that it allows you to skip the possibility of renting to a cash tenant who is potentially going to be a squatter and not going to be paying you rent, just looking for a free house to live in. And it allows you to avoid another pandemic scare like we had in 2020 or 2021, where tenants were encouraged to not pay their landlords rent every given month because of the eviction moratorium. Okay, so on affordablehousing.com, we have a couple of comparable listings right now that are listed at $1,570 per month and $1,690 per month within the same given area of our subject property. The $1,570 per month unit is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,300 square feet, and the $1,690 unit is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,500 square feet. Actually, this is going to be the same listing that we saw on Zillow as well too. So those are really good comparable listings for fair market rent on the Section 8 program that you could pull data from. Now that we have the potential rent for this property, mind you, we've been pulling comparable fair market rent or fair market listings at 4 bedrooms and 1 bath. And again, this home right here that we're looking to to purchase is going to be 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths at 1,900 square feet. So we could definitely get more for this property as far as rent, or around the same price for the listings that are currently listed at 4 bedrooms and 1 bath. But property management fees in Akron, Ohio are approximately 10% for long-term rentals. So if we were to rent this house out for $1,700 per month, that means our property management fees would be $170 per month, which would bring our total debt to $923 per month each month, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, as well as property management fees, which I put in the HOA column right here. So let's bring up our calculator right here. $1,700 minus $923 equals $777 each month, and that's going to be your profit. $777 is going to be your potential profit on this property if you were to pull the trigger and purchase this home at 20% down at $99,500 is the asking price. Now at a potential profit of $777 each month, let's go ahead and times that by 12, which is the number of months in a calendar year. And now we have a total of $9,324 that you could be potentially making on an annual basis passively. So every single year that this unit is occupied, you have the potential of making over $9,000 per year in passive income. And this is why real estate is so attractive to so many people, because of the ability to make passive income through holding an asset that appreciates. You gain depreciation on an annual basis through your taxes, and it gives you passive income, as well as you get to leverage the bank to borrow the vast majority of the money to purchase this property. In this example, 80% loan to value ratio. Now, please keep in mind, in order to earn passive income in real estate, you're going to need 2 things in place. Number 1, a reliable contractor that could handle the rehab as well as the day-to-day repairs and operations on the property. And number 2, a reliable, strong property management company that is responsive and that will also handle the day-to-day operations of tenant requests and manage any repair projects, as well as the collecting of rent on a monthly basis from either the housing authority via the Section 8 program or from the tenant directly if you're looking to rent this home to a cash tenant. So if you have those 2 in place, a reliable contractor or subcontractor and a strong property management company that can handle all the daily operations on your assets, then you can make over $9,000 in passive income each year as long as this home is occupied. All right, guys, so jump on this deal before anyone else does, because my best guess is that this home will sell very quickly on the open market. And if you want to learn more about how to safely invest into real estate, earn passive income, and make money while you sleep, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and like the video so that the YouTube algo could pick up on it and show you the next video that I release just like this. Thanks so much for watching this video. You are truly appreciated, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.